Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Kumar. I solve problem 6.9. Here the problem. S is a satellite station to a triangulation station A at a distance of 12 meters from satellite station S. The following bearing was observed: A, B, and C and D. Different are the bearing. The length of AB, AC, and AD are measured and found to be um, AB is AC and AD respectively. Determine the direction of B, C, and D from A. Actually, what problem is saying here the satellite station and triangulation station. A bit from these two stations we join different point like B, C, and D, and the bearing is measured from satellite station is given, and the baseline distance SA is 12 meter, and the distance from triangulation station AB, AC, and AD is measured, and the bearing from satellite station of two different point B, C, and D is let's theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 is given, and we have to determine the direction of B, C, and D from A. Means we want to measure the we have to determine the bearing B, C, and D and measure from station A. Let's what the theory behind this is. Theory behind this is triangulation surveying. Triangulation surveying is type of surveying which start at baseline joining two positions which are known distance and growing by adding sides to form triangle. Here in the problem, the baseline is SA and the distance between them is 12 meter. From satellite station, here is the satellite station S and A is the triangulation station, and the distance between them is 12 meter. SA is the baseline, and we want to survey this area. So different point B, C, and D is joining to AS, and the bearing is measured uh, S. Um, Point B is theta 1, point C is theta 2, and point C is theta 3. And we have to determine the bearing when measured from triangulation station A. Let when we measured from A, when we measure bearing from A, let's there is a correction of alpha 1 in the bearing, and theta 1 is already measured when measured bearing B, then theta 1 and alpha 1 is the correction when measured from A, and when measured C from satellite station the bearing is theta 2. Let's alpha 2 is the correction when D measured from satellite station, then it's theta 3 bearing, and let's alpha 3 is the correction. Now the actual value is alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are correction of um, when bearing when measured from station A, and theta 1, theta 2, and theta 3 are the bearing when measured from satellite station S. Then actual value of the bearing of point B, C, and D when measured from satellite triangulation station S is theta 1 plus alpha 1, theta 2 plus theta alpha 2, and theta 3 plus alpha 3, because the actual value is equal to correction plus measured value. Since AB, AC, and AC are already given in the problem, and is very large as compared to the SA distance, because SA is 12 meter, and in the problem is uh, AB, AC, and AC are in kilometer. So SB, SC, SC are respectively nearby equal about. And the formula used is alpha 1 equal 206265 d by a sine theta. And alpha is the correction, and d is distance between distance of baseline. So distance of baseline is 12 meter, and a is the distance of the is- satellite station to the different each station. It's given that ki AB equal to SB, and AB is given, so distance AB and ACAD is equal to SB, SC, and ST. So everything is given. So let's solve this one by one. For alpha 1, 206265 into 12. 12 is the baseline distance divided by the SA is the baseline distance, and alpha 1 is equal to divided by divided by SB, and sine theta 1, and the correction after calculating we get alpha 1 is equal to 7 minute 40.34 second. Similarly, alpha 2 is equal to 206265 into baseline distance 12 into divided by SC. Here it is SC, and sine theta 2. So the alpha 2 value after calculating is minus 8 minute 30.13 second. Similarly, alpha 3 is calculating, and we get minus 10 minute 33.24 second. Therefore, the bearing from measured station A, or the direction measured from station A, is measured value theta 1 plus correction, theta 2 plus correction, theta 3 plus correction. Correction means alpha 1, alpha 2, and alpha 3. Actual value is actual bearing from station A different. Here is one. Thank you.